We're facing the southeast view from this elevator, so there's the Replace Aquarium in front of us, Union Station and the Financial District on the left. There are also two glass panels on the floor if someone wants to find a way down, one on the front, one on the back. You can see how high you're going, it's pretty cool. Or not. It's gonna take us just 58 seconds to reach the observation level. Quick ride, 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour, our top speed. Once up there, you'll be at 346 meters above the ground. That's 1136 feet. And you can go higher than the observation level. The highest level is the skypod. You have access to that as well, but there's a time system, so you have to grab a time sheet to go up higher. First thing you wanna do, go grab the time so you roam around before going up instead of being in a line. And whenever you're ready to leave, just go to the glass floor. It's 1 floor below the observation. From there you can take the elevators to the ground.
Engol, a mim faz de vez em quando tem que engolir, que é para fazer o balanço dos 20 segundos.